Hello, in this video we will teach you how to screen mirror wirelessly from your smartphones to EZCast Beam J2 mini projector, so you can play games and watch videos on a convenient portable projector anywhere you go. If you are an iPhone user, you can use the EZCast function in the projector to run AirPlay screen mirroring to it. First, go to the settings to connect your iPhone to the projector Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi SSID and password is shown on the projector screen. Once you are connected to the projector Wi-Fi, you can access the screen mirroring function from the control center and see your phone screen shared on the big screen now. If you prefer Android phones, there are two ways to screen mirror to the projector. The first way is to use the EZCast function like the iOS case earlier and connect to the projector Wi-Fi network through the phone setting. You can then use the EZCast app to connect to the projector and mirror your phone to it. The second way to mirror your Android phone contents is through Miracast. Select the Miracast function on your EZCast Beam projector, then find the Miracast feature on your Android phone to project to EZCast Beam. Now, everything you do on your Android phone, including games and movies, will be mirrored on your projector for a better experience. Please subscribe to our EZCast channel for more screen mirroring tutorials.